finishing chores before my song video ends. Link in bio.